Okay friends, hello, it's me Alfredo. Today we want to show you how to get rid of that maintenance required light. You see that light right there in the dash? This is a 2003 Honda Accord. Okay, now in order to get rid of that light, we should do this. First of all, grab the key off. Okay, so when you see the ignition key, it's got a 0 position, number 1 position, which is the accessories, number 2 positions with gives power to all the electronics, and then the 3 position is to start the car. See, like right here, or a minute. Okay, this is 1. See, the accessories come on, like the radio and maybe the power outlet and other things. And then in 2, see, all the electronics get power. Okay, now what we want to do is that you see the mileage in the car, it says trip A. So if you hit the odometer button right here, see, it goes to outside temperature, trip B, and trip A. So you want to make sure that your display here is on trip A. Okay, so now you turn the key off, and then you push this button, the odometer button, and keep pressing it, and then put the key in the 2nd position for around 10 seconds. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is. See? Maintenance required lights is gone. Alright friends, hope this video helped you some way. And if you like the video, please subscribe and give us thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below. See you next time.